Let's see how to add payment options to your Wix website. Enabling payment methods on your Wix site allows you to securely accept payments from customers for products or services. In this tutorial, we'll go through simple step-by-step process to set up payment options using the Wix dashboard. So first, you'll have to sign in or log in your account on your Wix.com. After that, click Design Your Website. Once you're in, locate the settings on your top left corner of your screen and then click Upgrade. Select a plan you wish to purchase. Select your billing cycle and then click Continue to Checkout. Here, you will see a payment method and you'll have an option whether it is PayPal or your credit card. And then fill out the information as well as the invoice details, and then after that, click Submit Purchase. That's how you add payment options on your Wix website. See you soon!